YouTube, this is Wyan 4E. I'm back with another video. I'm finna show y'all what I got in the mail today. I'm so excited about this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna put the link down in the description so y'all can see. Alright, I'm finna get into this. Some packaging. But this shirt, it's a designer shirt. I never had it before. I don't know how the material feels. We finna look into it right now. That must be loud. See, my uncle in there asleep, so I ain't trying to make too much noise. Alright, y'all, so what we got here today is, I'm finna show y'all right now. Is that how the shirt made? Hold on real quick, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all all the details and stuff. I'm gonna try it on, review it, all that for y'all. But this shirt hard though. This shirt is definitely raw. Alright, y'all ready? I'm finna show y'all. Let me stop playing. Y'all see it? I ain't gonna lie. This is a large. I don't know if y'all catching it on camera, but this is a large. I'm gonna try it on for y'all just to see how it fits. But this mug look big. I might sell this shirt. I don't know yet. But I'm finna show y'all. This is what I got. This is the tag right here. If y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. The camera won't let it focus. Oh, there you go. The camera won't let it focus. But I'm gonna put the link down in the description for y'all. Y'all see the website right here? But yeah, this a popular brand. I decided to get it cause how I got it was my man's, he be selling clothes and stuff. So I looked on his website and this shirt was on there, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. And it got the tag down here. This shirt bad though. I'm mad it's a large though. Cause I don't like baggy clothes. So like, I can really sell this and give it away to somebody, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it on for y'all just to see how it fits. But I'm gonna keep this shirt on though, cause I ain't got no shirt up on here. So, finna get into it. But yeah, this video will be posted soon. Once I do my editing and stuff. But we finna see how this shirt look on me. Now, if I like it, I might keep it. I don't know. But we finna get into it. Let me show y'all. Oh, this shirt not bad. I actually like this shirt. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all like. I'm gonna start doing more. I got more heat coming for y'all too. So stay tuned. But this your boy Wyan 4E. I'm out. Peace.